and I wanted to show you guys how you can do screen recording easily. I use OBS, so I'm going to show you how to download that first. So you create a new tab, you just type in OBS, and it should come up. It should be this link here. You click on the download button, and then you select your operating system. I think most of you will have a Windows device, but some of you guys might have a Mac. So I go ahead and I click on it, and okay, and then you download the installer. All right, I have a couple of them because I accidentally downloaded it twice. But you're going to run the executable after. I'm going to press pause so we don't have too much time for you guys waiting for the project to run. So hang on. Okay, so it should be ready. I'm going to go ahead and click on it. Now it's opening up. Okay. And then you just go through the setup wizard. So I have OBS running right now because I'm using it, but it's pretty straightforward. Now, once you do that, let me go ahead. When you open it up, you should get something like this. Maybe not this, where it looks like multiple mirrors of the same screen. So it's recording on the same screen that it's projecting. But to use this, you use the recording button. This will say start recording, and you click it and you're good. Just talk into whatever microphone that you have, whether it's on a headset or in front of you or through your webcam, and you can narrate your videos that way. There's a pause button as well right here, so you can pause. I just did that right now. And then when you stop recording, you'll have a video. And to use it, you go up to File, Show Recordings. And then you get a screen with all of your all of your recordings, but it'll include the recording you just made. And they're not ready yet. You want to remux these. So you're going to go to File and you're going to go to Remux Recordings. You're going to select the file that you want to remux. So I'll pretend like it's this or something. And then you're going to press the Remux button right here. And that's it. And then you'll have an MP4 and you'll be able to upload that into YouTube. And then from there, I can take the link and review your exams. So that's it. Thank you so much for listening. If you have any questions, just reach out. I'm always there. And I love getting questions from you guys. All right. Thank you for listening and have a wonderful day.